Hello, all right. So today here we are going to study, we are going to practice here two things. First, we are going to practice here the sum of two numbers, and then we are going to practice here the average of two numbers. Okay. Let me do here something like let's take here 5, we take here 15, we get here a value clear. Let me clear again. Yeah. So here first I will show you the sum of two numbers. So here is the sum of two numbers that we are going to use this. So we take here a is equal to 5 and we take here b is equal to 9, and then we perform a sum is equal to a plus b, and then we wanted to print this thing, so we remove this and we use this. So like we got here sum 14, but imagine if we wanted to write this thing into a complete form like the sum of two numbers. So we use here the sum of two numbers equal to, we use here comma and all those kind of things. Then we can able to see here the sum of two numbers is 14. This is all about the sum. Then here we are going to see about the average of two numbers. Imagine we wanted to find the average of two numbers. So what we do here, that we take here a is equal to initialize input, enter a number a. Then we take here b is equal to initialize input, enter a number b. Then we use average. Okay, what is the formula of average? The sum of two numbers. If the number is 2, then we are going to use the sum of those number upon the number of terms. So we use this average is equal to a plus b by 2. But what we had learned earlier, the precedent. So what we use, we write this complete value into a plus b form inside a bracket. So we have a plus b inside this bracket. Then we use the slash sign and we divide by 2. So we get here our value. Imagine we clear here. Okay, and we wanted to find the average of two numbers that we give here. Imagine we wanted to find the number of 10. First number we have 10, second number we have 20. So what the average is going to get here over 15. Here you can able to see we get here our answer 15. And here is one more thing you can able to do. Imagine you don't want your output should come into an whole number form. Oh, sorry, in the float form. So you use this here 20, 20, you get your answer 15. I think we didn't follow this. I think I should need to use this. Something like that. I think it's now going to get follow this 10, 20. Yeah. Now you can able to see we got here is our complete integer form 15. That is all. This is for today. These two sums.